Friday. Even in retirement, Friday still has that special feel to it. Also, it's another beautiful, rainy, windy, raw morning, and the walk was all that. And I sang while I walked, so it was really beautiful. Day 28. Let's do it. Aham prema, 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 I am divine love, aham prema, aham prema, aham prema, you are divine love, aham prema, aham prema, aham prema, we're all divine love, aham prema, 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 aham prema. I am divine love, 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 aham prema, 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 I am divine love, you are divine love, we are divine love, I am 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 divine love. Oh, Shanti, 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 peace, peace, peace. Oh, this chant, it is really moving some stuff in my life. I hope you're enjoying it. Love, peace, hope to all on this beautiful rainy Thursday morning in March.